Alright, I'm going to give you a tour of the RV resort over here in Bigfork. This is my little clown car. Straight from Japan, Godzilla country. And there's Godzilla. What are you doing, buddy? Alright, let's go take a look. We're going to drive around. And of course, Brody is always with me. Yeah, buddy. All right, you ready? And it's a manual on the right-hand side. So that's kind of a little confusing. All right. This is the back 40 lot where they store empty trailers, future projects. That right there is a trail, and that trail leads you to the river. I think Swan River. I think. All right. This is the back 40 area. This is the furthest point to the east. Furthest point to the east of the campground. Come out of here, and here is some tent camping. The back area is all the tent camping. Tent camping over there. And last time I was over here, saw a herd of deer and I don't know what they call a flock of turkeys, a flockle of turkeys. You can make a comment and let me know what they call a creep of turkeys, because I have no idea what they call it. So here's some more campgrounds over here, or tent camping. Nice area though. During the summertime, this is where they have your summer activities. A little dog run area. Another campground, tent spot. We'll start over here in the back area. This is the furthest northern point. This is going to be kind of tricky when you get a lot of snow and ice. But believe me, this little funny little clown car is four-wheel drive. It's pretty peppy. So if you look down over here on my left-hand side, this is still tent camping area. I'm gonna put a yurt in that campground right there, or that campsite. And these are full-time people that live here. And this is cabin 30. I'm working on that one right now, getting that ready to go. These are all full-timers. I believe, full-time residents that live here, and that's including me as well. Right, Brody? Oh, yes. Okay. I have the window cracked down. He definitely likes this little car. Sorry, it's a little bumpy. So this is the furthest northern point. And there's a trail over here on the right hand side called Turkey Trail. And then then there's a cabin. That one I have an opportunity of getting for me, but it has a little issues. It has to be moved forward 10 feet, so that's kind of put on the back burner. So I have another one that I'm looking at having. There's my campsite right now. It's the back side of the campsite. And this is basically the middle northern road. This is cabin 9. I'm working on this one. I had to level it. That's why you see the skirting off. And then I'm fixing the rails. This is cabin 10 right here. Cabin 10, I just put the electricity in just right now. So it is fully electrified. I'm pretty happy on that. And then I have to do a Home Depot run, and every time I go there, it fills up a whole pickup bed. So that's a little bit after, probably in a couple hours, I'm going to have to go to Kalispell. And this cabin right here is the one I'm probably going to end up getting, which is nice because it's nestled in the trees. This cabin right here, I installed that back window. And basically, I installed everything in it. All the kitchen, all the bedroom, all the bathroom. And I'll let you see the front. And that is cabin 15. We're going this way. And the reason why I like cabin 15, it's away from all the other cabins. And all it has is just a view of the trees. And then that open field area that we just drove by. So definitely a nice location. It has a fire pit down there below. And it has a long little driveway. And there's no other houses around there. So, but that'll be in another video. I'll show you that. Alright, so we are on the third road. There's cabin 5. I'm working on that one also as well. That one we're trying to get electricity to it. We got to do a dig. I don't know if you can see these white lines down over here that cross it. We got to do a trench down there, but we're calling the county and making sure that we're clear on digging. And then there is my area right now. And let's go to the furthest southern part. And this right here at the campground, this is the kind of like they're gonna have a community fire pit. Everything over there. It's gonna be pretty nice. I'm working with the owners, and the owners got great ideas. And so my job is to put them in play. Get them initialized. And these right here are all our guests. This is the guest area. It is close. Right here is our community shower. Cowgirls here on this side and the cowboys on the other side. And so the showers are on the side of each side. And then there's our laundry facility. Cowboys. And then that's it. That is the campground. We're going to go back up to the road that we were just on before. Here's our brand new cabins that we just got delivered a month and a half ago. So they're working on putting the siding in, doing the winterizing. This right here is a shower. You have men and women shower on each side. So this is still all kind of roughed in right now, so it hasn't been nasty. do you think, Brody? Not bad? Yeah. Whoop. That's embarrassing. I think I hit Godzilla or something. I don't know. Alright. And there is the entrance, the office. And down over here is basically my workshop. This is where I get all my supplies. And I got everything you could possibly think of, which is pretty nice. Alright, I'm going to park right here. This is where I'm going to park the clown car. And then that is it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and comment and let me know what you think of the area. Are you close by? Do you know the area? Or if you're looking for a good recommendation to come here and stay for whenever you're in Montana. We are in Bigfork, Woods Bay area. So let me know. All right, take care. Bye-bye.